English online class. Today we will start a new topic, that is nouns belonging. So before going to start it, I want to inform you that you have to make a separate English notebook, and in this notebook only, in the starting we will do our literature work, and in the middle portion of it we will start our language work. Okay, so let's start our topic. Nouns belonging. About nouns we have already studied that noun can be singular or plural. Singular means talking about one object and plural means more than one. Okay. Now what is belonging? Belonging means ownership, or when any particular thing belongs to any person. For example, this pen belongs to Ria. Okay, this pen belongs to Ria. So we can, in another way, we can also say this is, and now Ria is single person. Ria is one person, right? So for one person, we, in noun belongingness, what we do, we use apostrophe s. This is called apostrophe sign. See, you can see this comma, which it's not a comma, it's actually apostrophe. When we put it upside of at the last of the any word, right? So that becomes an apostrophe and s. When we are talking about one person, then we are putting apostrophe and adding s at the end. Okay, so the sentence was this pen belongs to Ria. So in noun belongings we can also write it like Ria's pen. Ria's pen. Okay, isn't that so simple? So this we talked about singular noun. This rule is for singular noun, that in singular noun we put apostrophe at the end of the word or name, and also add s to indicate that anything belongs to any person. Okay, so it is plural. First of all, keep it in mind that you will write apostrophe and add s after, before the object name, okay, or after the person's name and before mentioning the object, right? So just when we write apostrophe and s after the singular noun, then we'll write the object which belongs to that particular person. Okay, so it becomes Ria's pen. So this is about nouns, singular nouns belonging. Okay, now what we will do with plural noun belongings? Plural can be like dogs. Okay, so when any word is ending with s, when any naming word, when any noun is already ending with s, then to make or to indicate its belonging, we will only put apostrophe. We will only use apostrophe, but we will not write this s again. Okay, suppose dogs bone. Okay, dogs bone. So it is already a plural and it ends with s. So we will put apostrophe and then we will write the object which belongs to this noun. Okay. So for example, dogs. Dogs, s is already there. Apostrophe. Bone. Dogs bone. All right. For more example, you can say cats. Cats. Now this cat is already having s at the end. So what we will do? We will write on the apostrophe. Cat's bell. So cat's bell. Alright, is that clear? For singular noun, we will add apostrophe s after the noun, single noun word. Okay. Now for plural, if there is already s at the end, we will only put apostrophe and then we'll write the object. Okay. Now what about those plural having s at their end? There are many certain plural now which are not ending with s. So for them, for example, let's say children. Okay, this word is children, and does it end with s? No, but it is plural word. It is a plural noun. It means more than one, but it doesn't end with s. That is why we will add apostrophe s. Children's. Then it will become children's. And whatever thing which belongs to them, suppose children's box. Okay. So like this, we will check, first of all, we will check that whether the noun is singular or plural, and then if it is singular, then there is no issue. We will just add apostrophe and s at the end, and then we'll write the object. But if if the noun is plural and if it doesn't end with s, then we will also put apostrophe and s. But if it ends with s, for example, I said dolphins. Okay, dolphins. So it ends with s. So for this, we will only put apostrophe, not s. For more example, let's take bird. Okay, bird, birds, as we have to make it plural, birds. Now it ends with s, and now we have to write bird nest. So here in play, as it already ends with s, we will only put apostrophe. That is all about noun belonging.